Today I have another product from Lever Gear. We're going to zoom in and show you all the features of this item. This is the cable kit adapter from Lever Gear. Handy little gadget. It keeps you from having to carry your long cord around to charge up your phone. Got a little pocket clip on it. You see it comes out just like this. And you can take this and plug it in your laptop. And it comes with an adapter, and you can buy extra adapters too. This way we can use this part, and we can charge up my wife's cell phone. See, that's a lot better than having a bunch of cables stretched out across your desk. And another thing that I liked about it too, your regular adapter for your cell phone, you can plug it in this way, plug this in your power strip. You're set to go this way, or if you want to plug it in the USB on your car, it works fine that way. Got a little SIM card tool in here. You can also put it on your keychain, and that way, if you wanted, you could put it on the keychain with your bit vault from Lever Gear also. Then you've got them both together, and you don't have to carry a cord everywhere you go. Check out their website. They've got some great little items at Lever Gear. Like and subscribe. Don't forget there's a Bearded Sharpener Facebook page, and we will see you next time.